Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find MAC address of your Linux PC. Just simply open your terminal and then type first command IP space link and then click enter. Here you have to look for a link and either you're going to get your IP address over here. Also, you can do that with using IP space dash bar link command. It is short and easy to read. For that, we have to type IP space dash br space link and then click enter. This is easy to read, and look for the MAC command. Here is unknown, up and down. From here you're going to get your MAC address. Okay, after you can simply move for using ifconfig command. So if you type ifconfig and then click enter, you can simply see it's not downloaded. For that, you can simply copy this and simply paste it over here like this and then click enter. Then they will going to ask your computer password and then this will be downloaded and installed. Now you can type IP config and then click enter. Now it's showing over here, as you can see. So if it's not showing, then we can simply move forward to using nmcli command. For that, we're going to type nmcli. Before that, we need to clean it. Then we need to type nmcli space device space show and then click enter. It will going to shows MAC address of devices managed by network manager. You can get all the information from here. So these are the best 4 settings that can help you to get your MAC address. So yeah, these are the 4 methods that can help you to fix your problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.